Hello everyone, we are the Prom company from Russia. We have cooperated with XinTian for more than 2 years. During this period of cooperation, our experience is very pleasant. Now it's very glad to see XinTian has grown up and became a stronger company, and also we want to congratulate on the 60th anniversary of its foundation. Hope XinTian will be better and better, and our cooperation will keep moving. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is the REMAC team cooperating with XinTian since more than 3 years. We are very happy with the cooperation with XinTian and wish you a fantastic 16th birthday to XinTian. Thank you, bye bye.
My name is Isaac Meyer from Cape Town, South Africa. I operate 4 laser machines from my studio. Thank you very much, Ivy, for all the help and the good service, and also congratulations on your anniversary or your 16th birthday. Thank you very much.
We at Tooltech Junction, Kolkata, India want to congratulate XinTian for completing 16 glorious years. It's a nice experience being associated with you. We greatly appreciate precision, rigidity of your products and hard work of Team XinTian. May you continue the journey of success with pride. Congratulations on your corporate anniversary. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are V Laser Company from Vietnam. We have cooperated with XinTian for more than 4 years. During this period of cooperation, our experience is very pleasant. Now we are so glad to see XinTian has grown up to be a stronger company, and also congratulations for the 16th anniversary of its foundation. We hope XinTian will be better and better, and our cooperation will keep moving. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are THL Laser from Argentina. We have collaborated with XinTian for more than 8 years. Our experience has been very lovely, and we are very happy to see and participate in the growth of XinTian. We want to congratulate you on our 16 years anniversary. We wish XinTian to get better and better, and we always keep our collaboration. Thank you very much.
Hola con todos, mi nombre es Randy Maldonado, gerente de operaciones de la empresa Malva Gruxac, ubicado en Lima, Perú. En esta oportunidad queremos hacerles llegar nuestro agradecimiento a la compañía XinTian, ubicado en China, por estos casi 2 años que vienen trabajando en conjunto con nosotros, con la línea de marcación láser, y también hacerles llegar un saludo por sus 16 aniversarios. Les deseamos muchos éxitos, muchos años más, que sigan creciendo internacionalmente y que cuentan con el apoyo nuestro para lo que ustedes necesiten. Muchas felicidades y gracias por el apoyo.
大家好，我们是来自俄罗斯三国公司，我叫创新。我们公司跟XinTian已经有3年多的合作的时间，在这期间内，我们一直都合作的非常愉快。今天我很开心见证XinTian的成长和发展，也衷心祝贺XinTian成立16周年，希望XinTian越来越好。也希望我们的合作能一直持续。谢谢大家。
Hola, soy Julio, desde España. Le deseo a XinTian el mejor de los aniversarios. Les deseo que estén cada vez mejor y espero que tengan el más próspero de los futuros.
สวัสดีครับผมสักกลินจาก PDL System Engineering นะครับวันนี้เราจะมาพูดถึงตัว XinTian นะครับตัว XinTian เป็นเลเซอร์ที่ใช้ใน งานเชื่อมหรืองานเวลดิ้งซึ่งเราจะมาพูดถึงระบบของมันกันนะด้านในก็จะประกอบด้วยตัวซอสตัวนี้จะเป็นเบคอน 1,000 วัตต์ส่วนด้านล่างจะเป็นชิลเลอร์ไว้คอยทำความเย็นให้กับตัวเบคอนเบื้องต้นนี่จะเป็นชิลเลอร์ตัวชิลเลอร์ตัวนี้จะทำหน้าที่ก็คือคอยทำความเย็นให้กับระบบของเราโดยจะสามารถเซตอุณหภูมิได้ตัวนี้บรรจุน้ำกันอยู่ที่13 ลิตรเราเปิดเครื่องเราก็รอให้ชิลเลอร์ทำความเย็นกันตอนนี้ก็ได้ต่อไปตัวนี้ซอสตัวนี้จะเป็นเบคัทที่ออนต่อไปเรามาดูตัวระบบคอนโทรลของมันอันนี้จะเป็นระบบคอนโทรลของตัว XT Laser 1,000ภายในก็จะประกอบด้วยชุดโซลินอยด์วาล์วแมกเนติกซัพพลายหรือพวกคอนโทรลทั่วไปตัว XT Laser 1,000 ตัวนี้เราจะเป้าหมายของเราก็คือจะนำมาใช้กับตัวโรบอทใช้ในงานเชื่อมพวกโลหะบางต่างๆพวกสแตนเลสอลูมิเนียมต่างๆนี้เรามาดูที่ส่วนพูนของมันบ้างพูนตัวนี้คือจุดประสงค์ของเราคือเราจะเอาไปใช้กับตัวโรบอทจะเห็นได้ว่ามันจะมีอาร์มยิงคอยบอกตำแหน่งให้เราว่าตอนนี้จุดโฟกัสอยู่ตรงไหนตอนนี้จะมีกล้องคอยส่องคอยจับภาพแสดงผลผ่านทางจอมอนิเตอร์ก็คือสามารถทำให้เราเห็นรอยเชื่อมได้ตัวนี้เป็นไฟที่ใช้ส่องตรงจุดโฟกัสเพื่อให้เราเชื่อมสำหรับระบบของ XT Laser คร่าวๆก็จะประมาณ
Здравейте на всички! Казвам се Валери Бакърджиев и съм управител на фирма Машком, която се намира в Република България. Вече една година се сътрудничам с XT Laser и през този период на сътрудничество не съм имал никакви проблеми. С радост искам да ги поздравя за навършването на 16 годишнината от тяхното основаване и да им пожелая да са все така да развиват своите продукти и да развиват нови пазари, както вътрешни, така и международни. Надявам се нашето сътрудничество с XT Laser да продължи в бъдеще и да развиваме едни ползотворни отношения. Благодаря ви.
Hi everybody, this is Dion Black from Perfect Laser in South Africa. We've been cooperating with and purchasing from XT Laser for more than 2 years. During this time, our experience has been really great. Excellent service, excellent products, and we are extremely happy to use XT Laser as one of our major suppliers. Now we're very happy to see that XT Laser has a 16th anniversary coming up, and we would like to congratulate XT Laser from Perfect Laser in South Africa. Congratulations on your 16th anniversary. We hope we'll be continuing to do better and better cooperation, and we'll continue to buy your great products.
Good morning. I am Jinan, Technical Director of African Supplies based in Johannesburg, South Africa. It's an honor for me to congratulate XT Laser on their 16th anniversary coming up in October. I have recently started doing business with XT Laser. I find the sales team very professional, very helpful. The response are immediate. Technical backup on any queries I have or technical assistance I have is very, very good. I hope to grow my business and have a long relationship with XT Laser. Congratulations again, well done, and looking forward to a really bright future for XT Laser and all its personnel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Nusri Latif from Marmi Gems and Jewelry from Doha, Qatar. This special video is to wish you all a very best for the XT Laser on their 16th anniversary. We have been cooperating with them for more than 2 years, and the service they have given to us is fantastic. Especially like the customers, the customer service given by Catherine and the staffs. They are absolutely very helpful, very friendly. From the top to bottom, they will resolve you all your problems, and keep hope on them. They distribute the best machines, they distribute the best services. Wishing you all the best for the XT Laser. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, this is Pir Basha from Saudi Arabia. Last 2 years I am using this XT Laser machine. It's a very good experience with him. He also very cooperative and very quick service. If any online service, very good. Thanks to say that the XT Laser company. Okay.
Hello everyone. We are XinTian company from Tunisia. We have cooperated with XT Laser for more than 2 years now. During this period of cooperation, our experience is very pleasant. Now it's very glad to see XT Laser has grown up to be a stronger company, and also congratulations for their 16th anniversary of its foundation. Hope XT Laser will be better and better, and our cooperation will keep moving more and more. Thank you very much.
Xin chào mọi người. Chúng tôi là công ty trách nhiệm hữu hạn dịch vụ Hồ Gia Phát đến từ Việt Nam. Hồ Gia Phát và XT Laser đã đồng hành cùng nhau trong suốt 4 năm. Và 4 năm qua, sản phẩm của XT Laser luôn làm hài lòng khách hàng của chúng tôi. Xin chúc mừng kỷ niệm 16 năm thành lập của XT Laser và mong sự hợp tác giữa Hồ Gia Phát và quý công ty luôn vững mạnh và thành công trong tương lai. Xin chân thành cảm ơn.
안녕하세요. 저는 한국에 현대에 다니고 있는 서영진이라고 합니다. XT 레이저하고 협업한 지는 올해부터 협업을 시작했는데요. 굉장히 유익하고 즐거운 협업이었습니다. 또한 그 XT 레이저가 창립 16주년이 된다고 합니다. 굉장히 축하드리고요. 앞으로도 더욱 건강하고 발전된 회사가 되기를 간절히 바라고 소망합니다. 앞으로 XT 레이저와의 협업에도 좋은 관계가 유지되기를 바랍니다. 감사합니다.
Hello everyone, we are company from Kosovo for gold and silver. We have cooperation with XT Laser, with Fiber Laser, and we are very happy. Now it's very glad that XT Laser has grown up to be stronger company, and also congratulations on the 16th anniversary of its foundation. Hope XT Laser will be better, and our cooperation will keep moving forward. Thank you very much.
Herkese merhabalar, ben Türkiye'den Emre. XT Laser ile yaklaşık 2 yıldır çalışıyoruz. Gayet memnunuz. Hiçbir sıkıntı yaşamıyoruz. Makineleri kaliteli. Herkese tavsiye ederiz. İkinci makinemizi alıyoruz. Elimizde şu anda 50 wattlık lazerleri var. 100 wattlık lazerine geçiyoruz. Hiçbir sıkıntı yaşamadık. Dediğim gibi herkese tavsiye ediyoruz. 16. yılını kutluyor XT Laser. Bizden de başarılar. İnşallah daha iyi yerlere gelirler.
Hello everyone, this is Silvan from Noel Machinery, Bangalore, India. We'd like to congratulate XT Laser on its 16th anniversary. It was very nice and pleasant experience for us in past 5 years with cooperating with XT Laser. It's a well-reputed company, and we wish more success in coming years. Heartiest congratulations to XT Laser. Thank you.
Всем привет! Мы компания Jinan из России. Мы сотрудничаем уже 3 года с компанией XinTian. Это было приятное сотрудничество, оно развивается. И сегодня нам хочется поздравить компанию с 16-летним днем рождения. Мы видим, что она развивается. Надеемся, в будущем будем работать также вместе. Спасибо. Сеся.